Alright, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Vanity Productions. Yes, that's right. I changed the name of the channel. What?
Coronavirus! Shit is real! Shit is getting real! Shit is real!
Bitch, okay. But in today's video, if y'all can't tell from the title, today we are going to be doing a makeup look for Halloween today. So, it's very much Chucky inspired, I guess. Now I was deciding on two looks. I was going to do colors. It was going to be like a purple, pink, blue situation going on, but then I was just like, you know what, I have all this other stuff because I wanted to do a lighter look on the eyes rather than everything else be crazy colorful because the outfit is colorful. So today we are going to be using all these products and things of this nature. So this is, I call it Milani. It looks like Milani, okay? It's this baked bronze highlighter color situation going on there, and these are these Wet n Wild pigments. They're like these gel creamy glitter pigments. They're all glitter. Even that first one was. I just used it at one point in time. So, and then we're going to be using this Jeffree Star X Morphe palette. Now I know what y'all are thinking, girl, why are you using Jeffree Star? Like, what's wrong with you? 2020. Bitch, I've had this before 2020, and the only reason why I'm using it is because I don't really have any eyeshadow palettes. Anyways, onto this makeup look. So I am on the couch. I'm just gonna... Actually, you know what? I'm gonna stay here. I'm gonna stay here and get comfortable and whatnot. So we are going to be using... If I can open this. We're going to be using... As y'all see, I be liking this color a lot. Its color and this color. And also like this brown color. However, comment, I have not hit pan yet, which is strange because I use it like every freaking day. But, ooh. So the shades we're going to be using today are this orange color right here. Sparkly orange. We're also going to be using this dark orange, and we're going to be using this brown, this color here, and this color there, and quite possibly this. So I'm going to be using quite a few colors today. So I'm going to do the brown color, and I'm going to put it here and blend it up into here, and I'm gonna do the same with the orange. So we're taking this orange color right here, as you see, and putting that up there. So. And this is why I like this palette, because everything's pigmented versus all the other ones that I have where they're not very pigmented at all. And yes, today we're doing lashes, so that's what I'm going to be doing today. And they should look something like this. Okay, so now we're going to go into the shade Honest Truth, which we all know that this man ain't about that. So literally just pack that bitch on, and we're going to pat, honey. Yep. After that, I think what I'm going to also do is go in with this highlighter shade and well, this highlighter shade, this highlighter, because this is a highlighter. I'm wearing it right now. I'm gonna put that on top of that light color that I placed on my lid, and put it in also in the inner corner a little bit. This will help. This will help give your eye some shine, you know. So now I'm gonna go in and do the inner corners. The consequences. I would use. Can I? You know, I'm gonna use my hand. So I'm gonna use my finger for this. Okay, I'm gonna just. Okay, that didn't go so well. So we're just gonna take the brush again, dip that in there, and see. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is go in and move in with these gels. Or these creams, rather. So, I'm going to be going in with this shade here. I'm going to pat it in the center. Anyways, moving on. Now I'm going to take a little bit of this gold. I'm kind of just pat this randomly all over the eye. It doesn't have to be strategic or anything. It's just going to be on the eye. And then the other, this color, is going to go in the inner corner. But I'm going to have to use a brush for that because hell no, I'm not using my fingers. Black, gray, silver, whatever this is. And I'm going to place that on the outer part of my eye. It's like black and silver and all that stuff. So now I'm gonna go in with this, but in the inner corner it looks bomb. So I'm gonna use this tiny little like flat brush that I have, and I'm gonna take that and just build that up with this. It's like, it's so pretty. Like the pigment is white, but like when you pick it up, it's like this rainbow-esque gold shit. I don't know how to explain it, but it's amazing. So well, I'm gonna fix that later, and now we're gonna move on to brows. And using the same palette, I'm gonna go in with this color right here, and we're gonna do this color and mix it in with that color and a little bit of brown. Alright, I'm gonna clean these brows up. Fix that situation, and put a little bit more mascara on, and put on some lashes. And I will be right back.
On the 5th day of Halloween, I bathed in menstrual blood. Then I took a nap, cause being